How to get rid of house flies. In this video we'll explore various methods for eliminating house flies indoors, including using white vinegar as a natural remedy. House flies can be a common nuisance in households, buzzing around food, garbage, and other organic matter. Not only are they annoying, but they can also spread disease-causing bacteria. If you're dealing with a house fly infestation, it's essential to take action to get rid of them quickly and prevent them from returning. Before implementing any control methods, it's important to identify areas where house flies are most active in your home. Common hotspots include kitchens, garbage cans, pet areas, and areas with decaying organic matter. House flies are attracted to food and organic matter, so keeping your home clean and free of potential food sources is key to reducing their numbers. Clean up spills promptly, especially sugary spills, which attract flies. Keep garbage cans tightly sealed and empty them regularly. Clean pet waste promptly and dispose of it properly. White vinegar can be an effective natural remedy for getting rid of house flies. Fill a bowl or shallow dish with white vinegar and add a few drops of dish soap. The dish soap helps break the surface tension of the vinegar, making it easier for flies to sink and drown. Place the vinegar trap in areas where flies are most active, such as near windows or in the kitchen. The scent of vinegar attracts flies, and once they land on the surface, they become trapped in the solution. Installing fly screens on windows and doors can prevent house flies from entering your home while still allowing fresh air to circulate. Ensure that screens are in good condition and free of tears or holes where flies can enter. Commercial fly traps can be effective at capturing and killing house flies indoors. Place fly traps in areas where flies are most active, following the manufacturer's instructions for optimal placement. Empty and replace fly traps regularly as they become full. If house fly infestations persist despite your efforts, you may need to use insecticides to control their numbers. Choose insecticides labeled for use against house flies and follow the instructions carefully. Be cautious when using insecticides indoors, especially in areas where food is prepared or consumed. Once you've eliminated house flies from your home, take preventative measures to keep them from returning. Continue to maintain cleanliness by cleaning up spills promptly and keeping garbage cans tightly sealed. Regularly inspect your home for potential entry points and seal them to prevent flies from entering. Now that you've learned effective methods for getting rid of house flies in your home, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on home maintenance and pest control. Thanks for watching.